I just know you guys have seen the 2-pound Asian snacks boxes on your For You page. I got one. Wow, this is so full, you guys. Okay, I'm going to go through and quickly, I'm going to speed this up and show you everything that's in the box, and then I will pick a few things to try. There is so much in this box. This is such a good deal, no joke. Now, what should I try first? Let's see what this is. Let's break it in half. Oh, I think there is some kind of filling in here. It's very good. It's like lightly sweet. Next, we'll try this. This looks like it's a watermelon cake. Oh, okay. A moon pie, but watermelon flavored. These look interesting. They are bacon flavored snack noodles. I'm not sure what a snack noodle is, but little noodles. Oh wait, why are those so good? These are bomb. You see? They're just cute. That's really good. Next, we'll try these. I like these. I'm seeing the trend is none of these sweets are too sweet. If you've been thinking about getting one of these snack boxes, I highly recommend. I will have it linked below. It's such a good deal. You get so many things. And it's a fun way to try new snacks.